Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we disable auto brightness mode setting in a Realme phone. Friends, you want to disable guys your auto brightness mode setting. So how can we disable today? I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friend, now let's see guys how can we disable auto brightness mode. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. As you can see guys, your display and brightness setting. So we will click on guys our phone display and brightness setting guys. Tap here. Again scroll friends, you can see your auto brightness mode setting guys. You want to disable, you can disable. After disable guys, you can customize your brightness according to yourself. So like that guys, we can disable our auto brightness mode setting in Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. And when to end out related to guys your display and brightness setting guys, you can ask me in comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys. Disable auto brightness mode.